concept. Payroll, how to maintain the payroll in your company code. Okay. So basically for doing payroll is nothing about, it is the maintenance of your salary slip. Okay. A very simple salary slip. And you remember, no, this salary slip I have explained you in the Excel. Basic salary slip I have already explained you in the Excel. Salary slip as well as salary sheet also have explained you at the time of doing the Excel classes. Okay. Um, Okay, so here salary sheet means first you have to start creating a headings, because in the tally you will not be having anything. Okay, each and every step you have to do by your own only. Like how you do salary sheet in that Excel, same way here also. Each and every heading, calculation, everything you have to customize and configure. Everything you should do here. Okay. So first, what I will do for doing this is payroll. Salary sheet, preparation of a salary sheet. Okay, creating a salary sheet. I'm going to create a new company. You can do it in a new company, or you can also do in the existing company which you are already practicing. Okay. So here I've started a new company. So company name I'm taking as a payroll. Okay. State I'm taking here. State. Okay. And say you can even give a address also. Okay. Okay. So telephone number. So any mobile number. So fax number. Control I'm doing accept. That's all. Done. So now click on this gateway of tally, create option. Here click on show more options. Okay. show inactive again. Show more, show inactive. So here you can see payroll master. Everything is available in the payroll master only. All the options will be available for you in the payroll master. Okay. First you have to start creating your pay head. See, all these options are disabled. It is not enable actually. All these options are disabled. So you have to enable each and every option. Okay. Every option you have to enable. So first we will take a pay heads. Say here, click on S if you want to enable. See, you need to enable payroll features for your company. Enable now. That means click on S. Okay. So first is like I'm going to create a basic salary. Okay. So basic salary is very much important. This HRA, house rent allowance. DI is nothing about. It is also one type of the allowance only. DRN allowance. See, in the salary, first thing you will be having a basic salary plus allowances minus reductions will be there. Allowances means depending on the company. I cannot tell you each and every company will give you same kind of allowances. So different companies will provide you different kind of allowances. Here I have whatever I have taken is only for assumption. Okay, just for an assumption only I have taken here. Different companies will give you different kind of allowances. There is no any certain mandatory conditions that every company must and should give the allowances. It all depends on their standard of the company. Okay, few companies will encourage the allowances. They will give the allowances to their employees as per their memorandum. Okay, so few companies will not give the allowances. They will give their basic salary only in the higher position. Plus PF, it is mandatory. PF should be calculated if there is more than 10 employees in the company. And there will be separate PF account maintained by each and every employee and employer also. So contribution of PF will be near about 12 to 24%. Okay, and even ESI also. So yes, and PF will be calculated at the same portions only. Okay, so percentage will be a little bit different. Okay, overtime means how many hours extra you are working. For extra hours, you will be paid extra money. That's it. That is a overtime. Okay, so HRA, DA, and all is just an allowances taken for the assumption purpose. That's it. Okay. First, let me create a basic salary. Basic salary is a earning for employees. Okay, you take under earning for employees. This one I'm taking a fixed only. This expenses I'm taking under indirect expenses. Okay, and here calculation type I will take on attendance. So attendance or leave, click on create option. Here I'm taking as a present. So attendance type, attendance or leave with pay. This one I have taken. Click on S. Days. So we are calculating attendance on days. So take days. Okay. So these are the informations you have to fill. So save. Save. Next is HRA. Earning for employees only you take fixed indirect expenses. So make it under indirect expenses. So this one also you take on flat rate. This monthly basis. So calculate on the monthly basis. Okay. So save. Next, you can take a DA, earning for employees, or you can also change this one for a reimbursement. That means we can even add a DA calculation separately also. Okay. So manually also we can calculate the DA. So we will calculate DA amount manually. So that is why here I'm not going to give any extra calculation. Just I will be taking as a user defined value so that we can calculate DA manually. Okay. Over time, I have taken earning for employees, fixed, indirect expenses. This one on production, that means here you have to calculate this one on hourly basis. So that's why here I'm taking everything on hour. So you have to use Alt C for creating. Wherever you struck, you use Alt C for creating. Okay. So on production, so over time and Alt C hours you have to take for creating. Clear? No? That's it. So just accept. So now I'm taking PF. Say PF is a deductions. So employee statutory deductions account take under current liability. This one is a computer calculation. That means automatically the calculation will be happened. Okay. Starting from the amount 0 up to 10,000 I'm taking. Percentage I'm taking. Say I'm taking 12 percentage. From 10 to 20,000 again same percentage. 0 starting from 0. 0 you don't have to mention. It will take from 0 only. Up to 10,000 again 10 to 20 again 20 to 30 30 to 40 you have to give in that proportion. Okay, so just save it. Percentage should be same for every line item you take. Okay, so next ESI. ESI also statutory deductions only. Same current liability you take. See, ESI is a very long procedure. Okay, so if I take here, ESI means you have some PF account, ESI account. Many will be there actually, but I don't want to take those things and all because we are using a limited version of Tally. Okay, so that's why statutory deduction only I'm taking here also. So same thing that whatever the amount I have given for my PF, same amount only you have to give. Percentage you can change it. Okay, so don't give different amounts and all. Give same amount. Percentage again changing a percentage means not for every line item you should not give different percentage. Line item percentage should be same. That means what percentage you use for the first time, same percentage should be repeated down also. Don't give different percentage. Amount also, what amount you have given for a PF, same amount only you give for a ESI also. Don't change the amount here. Okay. So save it. That's all. So I have created all the pay heads. Here, no, all the pay heads I have created for now. So next is a employee group. You have to create. Employee group means you have to create a designation. Designation you have to create. Okay. So what we will do? We will create a designation as a accountant. Earning for employees I have taken here. Sorry, designation you have to create in a different place actually. Say employee group. There is a payroll master employee group. Click here. Create your designation here. Under primary only you take. So two different types of designation I have created. Okay. Two different types of designation. So I'm going to create a salary sheet for two people. So that's why two different designation I have taken. Next is employee. Here you give an employee name. Okay. You can give your employee name here as like say I'm taking the Arun. Arun is working under the account department. Date you give. You can give employee number. You can mention his designation. That is accountant, right? So accountant. I've taken accountant as a under AP process. So function I'm taking as a AP. So location you can mention any location. Okay, so gender you can mention as a gender. Say date of birth, you can give any date of birth. Okay, so blood group, anything you can mention. So father or mother's name you can mention here. Whatever details you mention here, it will be like your plus point so that more information can be seen in the salary slip. Understood, no? If nothing you are giving, no information will be mentioned in the salary slip. If not, more information can be seen in the salary slip. Okay. I have taken all the details here. Bank details also, if you want, you can mention. See, account number, it is asking. Say, if I give all such details also, it will ask you all. See, these things and all. Um, you can mention like this. Okay. You can take all the details like this. All PAN number, you want a PF account number, see everything it is asking you. For first person, for Kumar, I have given you all the details, right? Say now for one more person I'm taking. For this person, I'm not going to give any details. I'll show you the comparison. Giving the details, what makes the information good. Without details, what makes the information. I mean, the difference I will show you. I have not given anything. Just I have given a name and I have saved it. That's all. After this, come to alter option. Click on define salary. You take first Arun. Here, define salary you take for 1st April 23. So basic salary for first one, like say for 1 day per day. So for per day, I'm taking somewhere 1,500. HRA less than this 1,500, I'm taking some 500. Overtime, say I'm taking some 350 rupees for 1 hour. I'm taking. Okay, and DA I don't have to calculate here. ESI is the automatic calculation. PF is also automatic calculation. That will come automatically. This is my definition of a salary. Save it. Okay. Save it. Next, you have to define the salary for the name, not for the designation here. Select a names here. Whenever you're defining a salary, select a name. Say, I have written in the step. First step is like creation of your pay heads, creation of your employee group, employee name, and define your salary. Say define your salary. I have taken. Okay. So one person is done, right? For the next person, I'm taking salary definition for the second person. Okay. Save over time. So I'm doing in a clearly. So control A, you can do accept. So definition of salary is also done. So all the salaries I have done clearly. Okay. So now, so what you will do, you have to go to vouchers. Go to voucher. So here you select your other voucher. First you give the attendance for your employee. Okay. So attendance, create. So first you have to mention the attendance for the employees actually. See the date. The date is mismatching, correct? So voucher, we have to change our date. That is why for us it will not come anytime we do. So now, see, both the people is available here. All the details are there. So Arun I'm taking, present I'm taking. So 22 days present I'm taking. Again Arun. For Arun, I have taken a present. For Arun only, I'm taking a overtime also 5 hours. 22 days present with 5 hours overtime. Control A, you can do accept. Same way, you can take next person. Present, I'm taking 23 days. Same person, I'm taking overtime for 10 hours. Control A, you can do accept. Done. It's done now. So now, again, go to your other voucher. So payroll voucher. Right side, you can see there is a autofill option. Click on payroll autofill. Click on salary. salary from the date is correct. To date, you can change it for financial year, next financial year. All employees you can select. Do enter. See, my payment payroll voucher is created. See the amounts every time. So whenever you are going to do, so remember that this amount, both the sides should be perfect. So here you can create like this and observe there is no DA. So DA is not there because we have not selected DA. Only salary we have selected. DA is something user defined value where we can calculate manually. Clear no? DA. Say for example, my basic salary is 33,000. So for Aruna, DA 25% on basic salary. Say 25% on basic salary means on 33,000, make it 25,000, 25%. So on 33,000,
Ma'am, DA is actually daily allowance, ma'am.
Sorry?
DA is actually daily allowance, ma'am.
Whatever it may be, DA I have not calculated over here. Clear, no? So DA I am going to calculate manually. So I want you to calculate 33,000. So on 33,000, calculate your DA amount 25% and tell me what will be the amount there. So let me only calculate. Even calculation is also becoming a very tough in the group. So 8,250 on 33%. Remember this amount. Okay. So just I'm just saving this option. Just I'm doing a control A. Again, you come to a autofill option. Autofill means like you can click on this user defined value. So here, just mention your proper date. Okay, mention your proper date. Okay, so now take all employees again. Say here it will ask you DA amount to calculate. So DA amount you can calculate according to the terms of your company. Okay. Say based on your company terms and conditions, you can calculate your DA. Okay, so based on these calculations are differ from government to non-government employees. Slight differences will be there. Clear, no? So you can just calculate according to your company norms. Okay. Fine. So here just I'm going to pay normally 2,000 random amount I'm going to give here. That's it. Okay. So just you can control A, you can do save. Okay. So now you can just come back. Now you can see on display more reports. Click on GST reports. Sorry. Payroll reports. Say first we will see a pay slip. First you see a pay slip of your Arun. Okay. See all the details, whatever details I have mentioned in the definition of a salary, all details you can see it is clearly given over here. See here all the details. Observe all the details are mentioned over here. Correct, no? All details are taken here. Okay. So now this is the amount which we have calculated in the defined salary. Whatever the calculation you have given in the definition of the salary, same amount is calculated for you here also. Gross salary and net salary plus your deduction is also taken. Okay. And you have to calculate your deductions also. Okay. Now, say for example, I'm just showing you for Sunita. See, there is no information given for Sunita because we have not given any information to Sunita. So Sunita information is empty, but salary is created for her. Same way, if you click on sheet all items, this is somewhere it will show you your say, if I take Arun, so the way how you have created your salary sheet in your Excel, similarly like that only it will show you here also. Clear, no? So similar like that only it will show you here also. See, for Sunita, if you take, it will show you in the same way. Okay, same thing you can even export to your Excel and you can just observe in the Excel sheet how you created your salary sheet during your Excel classes. Similarly, it will be available here also. Okay, see, it will show you like this. Okay, fine then. So let me just tell you the thing over here. You can just observe. Basic salary, HRA is nothing about house rent allowance, house rent. DI is nothing about a DRN's allowance. It is called as DRN's allowance over time. Okay, so provident fund. So here employee statutory. So here, you know, like you have city compensation allowance, you have salary taken in advance, you will be having canteen facilities, you will be having cab facilities. So canteen facilities, maybe cab facilities, maybe salary that is taken in advance. It may be all those things can be taken under the deductions. Okay, you can calculate those things under deductions. Okay, so you will have some like say city compensation allowances will be there and some other allowances also will be given by the company. So those allowances and all you can add into your basic salary. Okay, so this is the last topic in the tally. So we are almost done with all the concepts in the tally. So far nothing is left. Okay, so if anything is left means like only the revision from your end. So the test from your end is left. That's it. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. I have already shared you my assignment also. The large assignment also I have already shared you. So the one assignment you all were asking, that assignment also I have shared with you all. Most of the assignments I have already done. Tomorrow, another 1 or 2 classes, we will just practice on the payroll. Okay. So I will send you few assignments for payroll. So today I have taken a theory class of payroll, right? Tomorrow, like if you guys are ready to share your screen, only the next classes will be there. If not, I don't think so classes we can do for the next time. Why? Because from my end everything is done. It's from your involvement is required actually. So if anybody is ready to share your screen, you can message me so that we can connect for the tomorrow's class and we can practice on the payroll part. Okay, fine. That's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.